Kensington's Baron Allen will be taking over as the new chairman of Invictus, replacing Harry. This decision came after thousands of petitions from Canadians. While the closing ceremony of Invictus 2023 has just concluded, there is currently a petition on change.org regarding this change. Numerous petitions from Canadians are calling for the immediate removal of Harry and Meghan from the board of directors of Invictus. After these petitions are submitted to the Invictus Games Board of Directors, the matter will be addressed. You can observe the changes to the organization's operating system on the Invictus website and on Wikipedia. Harry's name has been entirely removed and replaced with another name. The current chairman of Invictus is Charles Allen, who holds the title of Baron Allen of Kensington. He is a British businessman and broadcaster who previously chaired the 2002 Commonwealth Games. Charles Allen was also a member of the London 2012 Olympic bid team and served as a director of the London Organizing Committee of the Olympic Games and Paralympic Games. He was also a mayor of the Olympic Village before the change. Prince Harry was listed on the website as president, but I want to remind you that the president of an organization is generally a courtesy title often given to someone as a gift, rather than because they do something important for the organization. The chairman has a working role. Prince Harry was a respected patron of the Invictus Games until a recent incident raised concerns. His actions at Invictus began to suggest that he was more focused on personal gain and making money for himself, rather than prioritizing the well-being of the veteran competitors. This shift in focus was troubling, especially because it seemed like he was trying to profit from disabled veterans, which is seen as unacceptable. In more recent news, it was revealed that Vancouver would host the Invictus Games in 2025. This announcement came after Prince Harry had mentioned it during the closing ceremony of a previous Invictus event. To be straightforward, it's been observed that neither Harry nor Meghan has shown a genuine concern for the rights or the historical suffering of Indigenous people. Instead, they have been criticized for seemingly exploiting their pain and history for personal profit. Some Canadians may be deeply disappointed that an ex-British prince and his American actress wife, who have been seen as lacking a sincere commitment to such important issues, are being allowed to proceed with their endeavors. Harry and Meghan didn't express gratitude towards Canadian taxpayers who covered their security expenses during their previous stay in Canada. Some believe that they should not receive financial support from hard-working taxpayers and should not exploit the pain caused by the recent discovery of unmarked graves for their own gain. Harry and Meghan have already been criticized for exploiting veterans for their Netflix documentary. Some people are concerned that they might do the same with the Indigenous community and believe that we shouldn't allow this to happen again. It appears that Markle's involvement has been seen as opportunistic. Some have observed that she tends to make events about herself, which was evident during the Invictus Games of 2022 to 2023. Her clothing choices were criticized as inappropriate, and her overall appearance was described negatively, with comments about her clothing and hygiene. People are not pleased with her representing disabled veterans from a country she's not fond of, and her choice of expensive and out-of-place items, like flip-flops, was considered out of touch. There is a call to remove her from the equation and to stop providing financial support to individuals seen as taking advantage of the situation for personal gain in Canada.